Individual slices. Don't throw the whole thing at once. You're gonna feed the pigeons.
I don't know.
Lots of pigeons there. Pigeons make noises. Pigeons make noises when you give them bread. Come on, it's not that hard to feed the pigeons. There you go. The birds love it. They're coming back, look.
Love it, I'm gonna get crapped on.
Go on. Feed the birds, Dan. Feed the birds. We're feeding the birds. Look, they fucking love it. Look at that one. Dude, we should get Mooncat and cover him in pieces of bread. Dude. Chris. No. 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 Come on. No. I'll go get it.
Did a whole 20 pence for that?
Yeah.
Are we recording now?
To get it. Yeah, go on. Oh no. No.
Save our bread.